Where we're going today. Today's vlog, I've come to Calusa Nature Center and Planetarium. You may have made it in time, did I? Oh, just barely in time for the Planetarium show, but I'm not sure if I'm going to see it. I figured I'll check it out though. Check out the center. Coming up to the front entrance, there's some gators hanging out. Al and Allie are their names. I'm guessing the bigger one is Al. The guy at the front said all these critters are rescue animals and that they are not able to get back into the wild. And then they have a snake room. It makes me kind of scared to go in. How cute is this guy? And it's a big gator. That is a big gator, isn't it? Also have a butterfly garden. Let's go see if we could find any. Let's see if they're out. They must be snoozing. I don't see any. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's another one up there. Did I get it? Ooh, right there. They also have this eagle. I don't think I've ever been this close to one before. Like I said, inside, the man at the door said all these animals are rescue animals and they've been injured in some way and they just can't be released back into the wild, so they keep him here. So that's why you see this eagle kind of caged up. He just can't go back into the wild. He's been injured in some way. There's a hawk, and there's another one, and then right next to this guy is a owl. I always thought owls were pretty cool. Another owl. He's checking me out. He just winked. Hey, how's it going? Pretty active. I kept hearing noises, and I wondered what it was. Who's this guy? Hey! Let's see if he does anything. He's checking me out. The glare of the sun is kind of... Well, and this guy's pretty active too. Hey! Y'all checking me out? Look, he's coming over. Hey! I don't know why rooms with snakes in cages or containers freak me out, but they do. Like, I could come walking outside and I'm usually pretty okay with that, but there's just something being like, and they said, you know, close the door behind you when you come into the snake room inside on the sign. And no, that just kind of freaks me out a little bit. I don't know why. Right now, I'll show you. I'm kind of coming down. There's like a little pathway. Take a picture of myself. So yeah, this is actually a pretty cool place. One thing I would be wary about going too far down in here would be gators, obviously. So I'll just walk a little bit. Yeah, there's some water right over there. Can you see it? Maybe not. It's probably from so much rain that we have. Ooh, look at the dirt's still wet, so I keep thinking, and there's so many pine needles. Yeah. I said, that they actually have like a animal talk at 1:15. So, in a little less than an hour, so I could go check out a little bit more and see where that gets us. And I might go sit and have us and listen to the guy talk about whatever animals they have. So yeah, I decided not to do the planetarium just because I've been to so many. Ooh, I always cover my finger. I've been to so many planetariums in my life that it doesn't really interest me too much anymore. But you could kind of see it actually. I'm walking kind of towards it. That would be the planetarium right there. So if anybody is wondering where I am today, like what city I'm in, this is in Fort Myers, Florida. Calusa Nature and Planetarium. It's a pretty cool place. I've been meaning to come here. When I came down, I saw some other things set up, so I figured I'll go check those out. Houses too. I'm sure they have tons of bats that come through here. Yeah, it is fun. Yeah. Do they still spray? No. No? I was about to say, if they spray you, that might be a fun experience to have, right?
Yeah, I don't know what she's doing. She's so crazy. Yeah. This is Pepe.
Pepe Le Pew, right?
Pew, and that's Flower. She's
Oh, from Bambi. Their names are appropriate.
yes.
That's funny. There's a raccoon here. You see so many of them anyway.
So she's no?
He's like, leave me alone.
He's like, the sun is right here.
You look just like somebody I know.
Me?
Yeah, it's crazy. Actually, kind of like a combination of two people I know.
Oh.
So,
Wow.
you have like the face of one person, the hair of the
Of another?
other. Yeah.
Billy. He's such a bum. He was over here.
A little bit of walk around on a boardwalk that they have, but I think I want to head home. I think I've seen about as much as I can, and I'm not too sure I want to stick around much longer to hear that animal talk, but yeah, it was a good little trip. I suggest coming if you're in the area. It'll definitely give a little activity if you're looking for something to do.